We recommend everyone to know Black Friday 2020 of Rinkmo Bidet Toilet Seat Heated Bidet with Remote Control. And now Amazon Black Friday 2020 are started. When is Black Friday 2020 is an annual event just for well known that it is shopping time on. And this year Amazon have selected many products for the shoppers from small businesses and top brands. Beat the holiday hustle and shop for everyone on your list during Black Friday 2020. Happy everyone on Black Friday 2020. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. If you want to get highlight features and full review of Rinkmo Bidet Toilet Seat Heated Bidet with Remote Control, please visit the link in YouTube description below. Overview, summary or highlight features. Rinkmo Elongated Bidet Toilet Seat has adjustable water temperature, water pressure, and warm air drying function. It can adapt to the needs of different users and better care for your skin. Rinkmo attaches great importance to toilet hygiene and uses advanced self-cleaning technology. The stainless steel nozzle will be cleaned automatically before and after use, and you can manually clean the nozzle through the remote control. This bidet toilet seat uses ceramic heating technology to provide continuous hot water without interruption. And this technology can prevent repeated heating of water, ensured water quality, and make the electric bidet more energy efficient. The Rinkmo heated bidet is equipped with 7 coils of heating wire to ensure that the seat cushion is evenly heated. And this toilet seat has a perfect 3D curved seat cushion that conforms to the human body design, bringing you the ultimate comfort. The bidet toilet seat uses a touchscreen remote control, which can be used normally when the hands are wet. We no longer need to turn around to set the side panel, making the operation more convenient. Package includes a remote mount holder to conveniently be mounted on the wall within reach beside you. And if you do not understand, not sure or have questions, you can leave questions in the comments box. In addition, if you think our channel that's something useful for you, please press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.